Hey you guys, this is Vivian once again. I'm back with another video. This is another unboxing video. Y'all probably are gonna get kind of tired of me doing this, but I just love, I always watch unboxing videos on YouTube, and I just love it. So this is just my quick unboxing that I'm going to be doing. Again, like, comment, subscribe. If you have any suggestions, please leave it in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel. But I just want to do a quick unboxing video. This is the Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max that I purchased 2 weeks ago. This is the 256 gigabyte. I always try to get larger. I don't feel like the 512 megabytes would be gigabytes, I'm sorry, would be suitable for me. I mean, I really wouldn't use that much, so I always just try to stick to at least 256 gigabytes. But this is just my quick unboxing. As you can see, I purchased the gold. I just always like to stick to gold every time I get the iPhone, which seems like I'm purchasing a new one every year, because it's almost like they come out with a new one every year. And I don't know, for some reason, I don't know if it's like this with everybody else, but I feel like once a new one comes out, it's like your original one, your old one does not work. Again, I had the iPhone XS Max that I got last year, and it's like when this one came out, my XS Max was not working right. Even though they had updates, it still was not working right. It would freeze and do whatever. And even last year when I had the iPhone 8 Plus, when the XS Max came out, again, my 8 Plus was not working right. For some reason, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but every time they come out with a new one, your old one does not work right anymore. Maybe it's just me, I don't know. Just leave it in the comments and let me know what y'all think. But okay, I purchased the 256. As you can see, 256. This is what I purchased. I always get that. Now we're gonna unbox it. Okay, this is the phone. Gold. I always try to get gold or rose gold, whatever you want to call it. One time I got black to try to be different, try to do a different color, and I didn't like it. That's just my opinion. So I stuck with the gold. And it has like that finish to it, which I love. The back. This is the front, as usual. I got all my fingerprints on it. It's gold. There's your power button, as usual. Has the 3 lenses on the back. Your volume up and down buttons. Can switch from sound on or vibrate on the side, as usual. This is what it always comes with. These instruction manual stickers that nobody don't need. At least for me, I don't need it. It does come with the AirPods. I never use them. I decided to use one that I've been having with all of my iPhones that I never use. I don't like it. It's not loud enough. I feel like the Samsung earphones that comes with the phone sound better than these. Just my opinion. So I always try to use the Samsung headphones. Just my opinion. I don't think these are loud enough. That's why I don't use them. That's why all my iPhones that I have a ton of them. Whoever needs them, they can have it. Comes with the USB charger, power adapter, which this is made different than all the other adapters that ever came with the iPhones. It's thicker, bigger. Another thing is the USB part is made different too, as you can see. Let me try to So I try to make it clear. Okay, it's not adjusting. It's made different. Way different. So now we're gonna power it on. And as usual, this is what comes up. Let me try to wipe this. And then it just takes its time to come on. And usually I never buy the cases, like I never get like expensive cases. That's just not me. Like those thick outer boxes, that I don't like stuff like that. I don't like bulky, my phones to be bulky and, you know, thick, like especially like the cases. Just gonna put in, and these are just my apps. Again, I just want to do just a quick video on what I have here. And normally I always get my cases from Amazon. Anytime I buy a case, Amazon. I like this one. You know, again, I don't like bulky, thick cases. I hate that. I purchased this one, which is called, well, it's actually called Case, I guess. Which I purchased on Amazon. I will try to leave the link in the description. It's about $14, but I think some of them come with like a $1 off coupon or something like that. Oh, on it, they have the brand. And it's called, you know, correct me if I'm wrong, if I'm saying it wrong, Lohasic, Lohasic. That's the name of the brand of the phone. Again, this is like a rose gold pink color, but I always get my cases from Amazon. It'd be no more than maybe $10 to $17. Again, I don't like bulky phone cases. But I mean, it fits pretty well. It's sliding in, and it's very easy to come off. Unlike some of the cases, you know, they have pretty cases like the one from I want to say Casemate. Casemate makes pretty cases, but for some reason they're so thick to where once you put the phone in, it is very hard to take it off. It's like I almost broke a nail trying to take one of those cases off. I literally had to use, I know they say to use like a debit card or something like that to take it off. I mean, one of them was so hard to where it almost broke my debit card. So, again, Casemate makes pretty cases, but they're so hard to come off. But this is how it looks. And they're pretty. And that's how the front looks. Again, for some reason, like most of the cases I find don't really cover the lenses as much. And I feel like over time, you know, just leaving it like this or whatever, that's just my opinion. It's going to kind of scratch this up a little bit, and I hope not. But I feel like they need to make this more, how can I say that? They need to make it to where it actually covers and protects the lenses more. Because I feel like just holding it like this, like just putting it on my hand, I can still feel the lenses. So just imagine it being on a rough surface like that. I still love the case. This is like my second one, because the other one I had was for my 8 Plus that I had. My last iPhone was the XS Max. And I know when this one came out, I said I wasn't going to get it, but I got it anyway. It's every year they come out with a new one, I have to get it because again, that's just my opinion. I feel like when a new one comes out, your old one starts tripping. And that's how mine does every year. To where it's like they make me want to get a new one. But once again, this is just a quick unboxing video just to show y'all I got the new iPhone. Again, I mean, there is a video feature that I seen on YouTube. It was, I think this was like maybe before the iPhone came out, the iPhone 11 came out, where it was showed where when you record on this iPhone, you can record and record yourself, like have the front facing record you and the back records everything else at the same time. I forgot the name of this feature, which come to find out there's an app you have to purchase for that, which is almost like $17. But it's a cool feature to have. I wouldn't mind purchasing it. It's a really cool feature to have. I thought it was already on the iPhone, like already made. But no, it's an app for that. I will try to put it in the link, the name of that app. But this is just my unboxing video. If you like it, hit the like button, subscribe. Leave any comments or suggestions. Again, this is just an unboxing. Not a review. They got tons of reviews on it. I'm pretty sure y'all would want to hear my review about it. But, you know, I'm just saying. This is just an unboxing video. So if you like what you see, just like, comment, subscribe, leave any suggestions. Please try to subscribe to my YouTube channel. But once again, my name is Vivian, and thank you for watching. Bye, y'all.